Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So I've literally just finished unboxing December's Glossy Box, and in that video I did say I was going to do Birchbox and Glossy Box separately. So this video is going to be December's Birchbox. And again, like I said in that video, I haven't got my light, so this might be a little bit dark. We have got a window there and the natural light is coming in, and it's not the best day. So anyway, let's get into December's Birchbox. The design of the box this month is absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's got gold stars and then like a navy with glitter. You can kind of feel the glitter when you run your hands over, but it's not too rough. It actually is really, really nice. And on the sides we have snow with some trees. That's Glossy Boxes. Obviously the box is bigger. I think they're both beautiful. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. Oh. So that is what we get in this month's box. Do we have a card with it? Under everything. Here we are. So this is Twinkle All the Way. That is cute. December 2018. Hello Birchboxes. December has well and truly arrived. Seriously, where has 2018 gone? I can't believe it's nearly 2019. The year has just gone so fast. To celebrate, we're embracing the glitz and glamour of the festive season with a seriously sparkly box packed with goodies. From a party-proof lippie to 2 extra treats. We've got everything in place for you to twinkle all the way. So we do have a January sneak peek on the back. And this is pick your full size Clee. I've never had this brand before. Clee Cosmetics Enhance Moonlighter Cushion worth £22. We've got apricot tinge or copper rose. Add a luminescent glow to your skin with this lightweight moisturising highlighter. Keep an eye on your inbox to pick your favourite. So those are the colours. I might go for the lighter one, the apricot tinge. So let's pick up the first one in December's Birchbox. The first product is from a brand I do know. It's called Rituals. And this is the Ritual of AYURVEDA. Me and my friend Beth we can't pronounce this. AYURVEDA. The Ancient Art of Living Wisely. Balancing Body Cream, Indian Rose and Himalaya Honey. That's really cool. Discover the ancient art of living wisely and enhance peace and harmony in everyday life. Rich and nourishing body cream, a combination of the ancient Ayurvedic ingredients of Himalayan honey, the perfect skin softener, and Indian rose for a relaxing effect on body and mind. This is a 70ml bottle. So that's the first product. Let's read about it on the card. Worth £19.50 I think it is, if it's a full size. It doesn't say if it's a full size or not. This body cream is the ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the irresistible aroma of Indian rose with pampering Himalayan honey. The nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. So that's the first product. The next one, we have a comb. So it's part of the Extra Treats Birchbox hair comb. This plastic comb is harder on tangles but easy on your hair. The wide teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing breakages. We love using it on hair mask day to comb the product through our tresses for a root to tip treatment. That is actually really cool. So that's normally £5. This is normally £5 on its own. And to go with that, we do have a hair mask. This is PERCY and Reed London, the Total TLC Hydrating Mask. Need a rescue remedy fast? Yes. This indulgent treatment helps to nourish and deeply condition stressed tweezers while enhancing manageability, softness and shine. It's a 25ml little sachet thingy, like a sachet plastic thing. With nourishing marshmallow extracts and coconut oil, Totally TLC Hydrating Mask provides intensive conditioning for dry, damaged or lackluster hair. Mine's a little bit dry, not too bad. The indulgent treatment softens, improves manageability while adding healthy looking shine, not forgetting aloe vera and mango seed oil, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, are heroes. After shampooing, work TLC mask through wet hair, gently massaging from roots to ends until her hair is completely covered. Rinse straight off for a quick restorative boost, or wait 5 minutes before rinsing for a more intense conditioning treatment. I'll probably wait the 5 minutes to rinse it off. Let's read a little bit more about this one. So no matter how thick or thin your hair is, all strands need one thing: moisture. This is just the mask to give them what they crave. Brimming with nourishing ingredients, it leaves hair soft, manageable and conditioned. Use it in place of your conditioner, leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse and style as usual. So I'm guessing that kind of helps with the comb and then the mask, so they work well together. So we have a product from Benefit, and this is the Galifornia blush. It's a summer golden pink blush, and there it is. That's the colour. There is a matte shimmer. What else does it say about it? There's 1.6 grams in here. Let's read what it says about the product. You'll look like you've been California dreaming, even in the depths of winter. With just a swipe of this golden pink blush, it blends peachy corals and shimmering gold for a sun-kissed colour that complements all skin tones. Oh, and it smells amazing. A mix of fruity grapefruit and sweet vanilla. What? It does actually smell. That's really, really nice. I do get the grapefruit, probably not the vanilla. Smells really nice. Okay, so the next product is this bubble sheet mask from OK. I have heard of this brand because I think we got under eye masked in the Debenhams advent calendar this year. But a bubble sheet mask, exfoliate and cleanse. Happiness every day. Made in Korea especially for you. We're living up your beauty regime with this OK face mask. Before opening the pouch, gently rub the mask sachet to mix and evenly distribute the mask. Open sachet, unfold the sheet gently and apply to face. Allow the mask to bubble for 10 minutes, but do not leave it on skin for longer than 15 minutes. Remove mask and rinse your face well with warm water. Let's read a little bit about it. So it's a full size for £7.50. This innovative sheet mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place it on your face. Not only does it result in an hilarious foamy face, but it purifies and smooths skin for a radiant complexion. Apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes and remove and rinse with your face clean. Apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes, then remove and rinse your face clean. That's quite cool. I do love a good mask. So the next one I think is another little extra treat. Yeah, it's the Hotel Chocolat British Cocoa Grower. A special chocolate treat for your December Birchbox. Although you're sweet enough already. A duo of filled chocolates. And here are what the chocolates look like. There are 2 of them. Really, really sweet and cute. We're advocates of treating yourself all year round, but there's something about December that calls for a little extra indulgence. Okay, so the last product is from Laritzy. This is a sneak peek we had from last month's long-lasting liquid lipstick. And I picked Tidal. And I picked this colour because it's more of the colour I would go for. It's nice and rosy, like a mauve sort of colour. And that is the colour, is the kind of colour that I would go for. I'm not going to put it on my lips, I've just put this one on. But it is nice. Let's read a little bit more about it. This liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge. Plus the comfortable texture means it won't settle into the lines of your lips or leave them feeling dried out. Just apply it directly to your lips using the wand and relax knowing that there's no need to reapply throughout the day. So that's a full size for £20. The lipstick is £20 and itself is paying for the box and more. That's a really, really nice colour. It has a little bit of smell to it. I think it smells like coconuts. So that is Tidal. So at the bottom of the box, which I couldn't see before, we have just for you £10 off at the Birchbox shop. A special gift from us to celebrate the festive season. £10 off using code MERRY when you spend £50 plus at birchbox.co.uk/shop. It's time to treat yourself. So just use that code MERRY and you can get £10 off when you spend £50 or more, but still you get £10 off. And then we just got like a little brochure thing from Hotel CHOCOLAT. Make it a chocolate Christmas. So you can have £5 off or £10 off, or both I think. Use online at hotelchocolat.com or use in one of our 100 plus stores nationwide. What does it say? Oh, they're quite nice. I'm not sure if I'm a Hotel Chocolat chocolate fan. I'm not sure if I like it that much. Oh, they're cute. Stocking fillers. Enter code online. It's just here. Look. That's the code. We have teamed up with our friends at Birchbox this Christmas to offer you £5 off when you spend £25 or £10 off when you spend £50. Enter code online or go in with this, but that's the code there. That's quite cool. So that is December's Birchbox. I do like both of these boxes this month. In Glossy Box we did have 5 full-size products plus an extra treat, which was like pore strips. So that was a really good box as well. Birchbox is an okay. It didn't have as many full-size products, but it has got a really nice lip, and it's got hair mask, and it's got a bubble sheet. So I reckon they're near and near par together. But yeah, I really did enjoy unboxing that box. Not sure if I'm going to continue with Birchbox. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think, if you think that I should keep doing Battle of the Boxes. Not too sure, but I did enjoy this month's box. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is somewhere down here. Until next time, guys. Bye.